Hi guys, so today is my cruise trip dito in Switzerland. So before we start, I'd like to show to you how does the view look like. So I have a recorder. They will say here the things I'm going to see. And we book a very exclusive view for this trip. Sobrang ganda dito, Camiranda. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga napakagandang mga bundok. Grabe. Woo! Unbelievable. Cheers, Camiranda. Cheers to all of you. And cheers for more blessings for you to come from Switzerland.